Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to trade crypto in Malaysia. It's worth knowing that not all exchanges are regulated by the Securities Commission Malaysia. To stay on the safer side, you can use one of the 6 licensed exchanges approved by the SC. Luno remains the market leader with over a million users, offering easy ringgit deposits, crypto bundles, and Sharia compliant Ethereum staking. Hata is a fast growing platform with competitive fees, support for GrabPay and Boost, and access to both ringgit and US dollar markets. IMEX Global focuses on simplicity and is ideal for beginners, while Synergy caters to advanced traders with professional trading tools. Tokenized Exchange supports nearly 20 cryptocurrencies and offer free ringgit deposits, and Toram is the newest entrant planning to launch Toram Pay to make spending crypto in daily life even easier. Whether you are new to crypto or an experienced trader, these regulated exchanges provide a safer way to invest in digital assets in Malaysia. Thanks for watching.